Whether you're holding on to a cherished older iPhone or investing in the latest model, the right accessories can personalize and enhance your device. From practical items like a kickstand for watching videos to tracking devices like AirTags for keeping tabs on your belongings, there's a world of accessories you might not even realize you need. Show off your unique style with cases and more. With so many options available, we've selected the top iPhone accessories that are truly worth your investment. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 12. Spigen Ultra Hybrid Mag Fit. Spigen's Ultra Hybrid Mag Fit case is a clear, anti-yellowing option designed to protect your iPhone while maintaining its aesthetics. It works seamlessly with MagSafe accessories, allowing for easy magnetic attachment. Raised edges help safeguard the screen and camera from surface contact, and the case's air cushion technology absorbs shocks from drops. Although on the pricier side, the durable design and functionality make it a solid investment. If you're looking for a clear case that protects without hiding your iPhone's design, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Mag Fit is an excellent option. Number 11. Peak Design Mobile Tripod. Peak Design's mobile tripod is a premium accessory for iPhone users who need flexibility in shooting. Its aluminum frame is durable and folds into a compact, credit card-sized shape for easy portability. The adjustable microball head allows for precise angles, and its magnetic attachment holds the iPhone securely in both horizontal and vertical orientations. While it's on the pricier side, the quality construction and built-in hex key for tightening make it worth the investment. For those serious about photography or video, the Peak Design tripod offers excellent stability and usability, making it a top choice despite its higher cost. Number 10. Spec Car Mount with MagSafe and Click Lock. Spec's MagSafe car vent mount with Click Lock offers a secure way to mount your iPhone while driving. Its strong magnetic grip ensures your device stays in place, even during abrupt stops or turns. The mount's versatility allows easy angle adjustments, and its Click Lock system works even better with Spec's phone cases. Although it's designed for older vehicles lacking CarPlay, the built-in cord management adds convenience. The main downside is that it performs best with Spec's own cases, but it's still a solid option for anyone seeking a reliable and sturdy car mount that integrates seamlessly with MagSafe technology. Number 9. Anker 31345W USB-C Fast Charger. Anker's 31345W USB-C charger is a compact powerhouse. It fast charges iPhones and can also handle devices like MacBook Air and iPads. Its GaN technology prevents overheating while maintaining a small form factor, making it 30% smaller than previous models. While the adapter doesn't include a charging cable, its portability and power make it an excellent all-in-one solution. Its foldable connector prongs make it travel-friendly, and its versatility justifies the price. If you're looking for a compact, high-powered charger to handle multiple devices, Anker's 313 is a fantastic choice, even if you'll need to purchase a separate cable. Number 8. Elevation Lab Go Stand. The Elevation Lab Go Stand offers a sleek and practical solution for propping up your iPhone. Its minimalist design supports both landscape and portrait orientations, allowing you to adjust viewing angles up to 45 degrees. The stand is compatible with cases and MagSafe chargers, making it a versatile accessory. Although it can only be used with smaller mobile devices, its compact design folds into a slim profile, making it easy to store in pockets or bags. For those needing a portable stand that offers both functionality and style, the Elevation Lab Go Stand delivers, despite its size limitations. Number 7. JTech Full Coverage Screen Protector for iPhone. A screen protector is crucial to keeping your iPhone in top shape, and JTech's tempered glass protector is one of the best options available. It protects your screen from scratches, drops, and smudges while remaining fingerprint and oil resistant. Installation is straightforward with the included tool, ensuring precise application. Though it comes in a pack of 3, the tempered glass is durable enough that you may not need the extras anytime soon. For those who tend to go through protectors quickly, having spares is a plus. While it only offers basic screen protection, the JTech protector's reliability makes it a wise investment. Number 6. Anker Mago Power Bank. Qi 2 certified 15-watt. Anker's Mago power bank charges iPhones quickly, offering a 10,000 mAh capacity that provides multiple recharges before it needs a top-up. The Qi 2 technology ensures faster wireless charging, and its magnetic attachment is solid. The power bank even includes a kickstand, perfect for watching videos while charging. Its LED display keeps you informed of remaining battery life. While it's on the pricier side, the combination of fast charging, portability, and no cables necessary makes it a worthwhile investment. Number 5. Popsockets Pop Grip compatible with MagSafe. The Popsockets MagSafe Pop Grip adds versatility to iPhone use, securely attaching magnetically without adhesive. Perfect for watching videos or taking selfies, it can be easily removed when not needed. The MagSafe ring also allows you to use it with non-Apple devices. Although the magnetic hold is strong, the lack of adhesive limits attachment options, relying solely on magnets. Nonetheless, it's an excellent solution for improving grip on your iPhone, and its quick detachability makes it ideal for switching between uses. Number 4. Anker BioB braided USB-C to USB-C cable. Anker's BioB braided USB-C cable is a robust option for charging multiple devices, supporting up to 240 watts of power. Its 10-foot length adds flexibility, making it easier to use devices away from outlets. The eco-friendly, plant-based nylon material gives it durability, with a 10,000 bend lifespan. While the price is a bit steep due to the high wattage, the long-term benefits outweigh the initial cost. The versatility makes it compatible with iPhones, MacBooks, iPads, and more. Despite the price, the eco-friendly approach and flexibility make it a go-to option for those needing a durable, high-power charging solution. Number 3. Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. Apple's 2nd Gen AirPods Pro offers superior sound quality and a host of features, including active noise cancellation and transparency mode. The fit is customizable with interchangeable ear tips, making these ideal for long listening sessions. With a MagSafe charging case and upcoming hearing aid functionalities, these earbuds are becoming a versatile option for those with hearing challenges. However, the new touch gesture takes some getting used to, and the design hasn't changed much. Number 2. Apple MagSafe Charger. Apple's MagSafe charger is a strong contender for anyone with a newer iPhone. Its magnetic design ensures a secure attachment, allowing users to charge their phone even while holding it. Though the cable is a little short, the convenience of a 1/4-inch thick plate makes up for it. Charging older models wirelessly is possible, but the magnet's full strength benefits the latest iPhones. Number 1. Apple AirTag. Apple's AirTags are essential for anyone prone to losing items. These small Bluetooth trackers, compatible only with iPhones, help you locate keys, wallets, or bags using the Find My app. The app allows you to force the AirTag to emit a sound when nearby or enable lost mode for wider tracking. Accessories like cases and keyrings enhance their usability. While convenient and seamless in iPhone integration, AirTags lack a built-in keyring hole, which is a minor inconvenience. Unlike competing trackers, the ease of pairing AirTags with an iPhone is unmatched, much like AirPods. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.